No parking. Midnight to 6 a.m. Oh guys, let's do this. And just by sheer chance, I brought my big honkin' pliers and we're gonna put the 18-foot whip onto that. We're gonna run the coax out here and let's see where it's resonant. Oh my goodness, woohoo! All right guys, so here we go. I've got these big honkin' pliers. Look at these bad boys. So we're gonna go up to the no standing sign and we're gonna clip onto the galvanized pipe, which I believe, looking at it, it's probably about 2 inches. And I don't know how long the coax is. Let's see where it's resonant, if at all. There we go. And let's see where this is resonant. And all I want to do, guys, Sunday afternoon is make one contact on it. Can we do it? All right, Doug. Woo! Oh, my goodness. Look at that, 1.85. at 12 megahertz, which is absolutely perfect. And then there's another dip, but that's okay. I'm going to plug it into the Yaesu, the FT891 here, and see if we can get a low, really nice SWR for 20 meters here. One, two, about 2.3 to 1 at the bottom end of the band. I don't think I can get it any lower than that, Doug. All right, guys, should we pause this or do you want to? No, keep it going. It's good content because this is fail. Yeah, and you know what? I'm going to do, guys, I'm just going to hunt somebody, I think.
CQ Nebraska choose the party. Kilo 8 Uniform Alpha. CQ Nebraska choose the party.
Victor Alpha 7, Bravo India X-ray.
Station with Bravo in the call sign. Give me your call again, please. You're pretty low, but the QSB, hopefully you're going to come up.
No parking from midnight to 6 a.m. Yeah, roger, mate. My call sign is Victor Alpha 7, Bravo India X-ray, QSL.
Roger, thank you for British Columbia 73. I appreciate you working with me and have a great day.
Woo! 7-3, mate. So guys, you know how obsessed I am with SWR. So we have an SWR of a bit over about 2.1 to 1. Not great. I'm not happy with it because you know me, it irks me. I love having a really low SWR. I see some more metal around here, guys. I'm really excited about the next antenna.
Tiki Park in the air, Kilo November 6, Yankee Alpha Juliet, 1189er, stand by.
Woo! Victor Alpha 7, Bravo India X-ray.
Victor Alpha 7, Bravo India X-ray, QSL?
QSL, buddy, QSL. You're going to be on my rubbish antenna video, mate. I got you 5-9 into BC today, QSL.
Copy the 5-9 into Bravo Charlie. You are 5-4-54 into Park US, 1189er.
So what we're going to do, while we've got some sunlight, is we're going to, I'm going to take it off the signpost there. And so now, because there is no parking from 12 midnight to 6 a.m., and we're going to go over to something else that I can see more junk for the rubbish antenna series. Woohoo! We've got a really good RF return path here, similar to the nose standing from midnight to 6 a.m. signpost over there, but I'm thinking that might be buried pretty deeply in concrete, and fingers crossed that this little piece of galvanized pipe here, because it's just sitting on the ground, might actually work better as an antenna. All right, more in a minute. Lots of stations. I'm just going to get off his frequency. Check. We're about 2.2 to 1 again. And I'm just going to come over here and I'm just going to go down about 4 inches or so. 1, 2, 1, 2. There we are, about 1.6. All right, this is better. Let's just do just a little bit. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yep, that's about as good as I can get. All right, guys, we're going to hunt a couple of guys again. I love this setup. Look at the antenna. What a piece of rubbish. It looks like an old, not balustrading, but it looks like an old railing from temporary housing. I'm just going to make one QSO on this, right, guys? Victor Alpha 7, Bravo India X-ray.
Okay, Victor Alpha 7, the last one?
Bravo India X-ray, Belgium, Italy X-ray, QSL.
Victor Alpha 7, Bravo, India, X-ray.
Woo!
Thank you very much. You're 59 Iowa.
Thank you for the 5-9 into Iowa, buddy. You are 5-9 into British Columbia, and I'm coming to you on the world's worst rubbish antenna. So thanks for taking my contact or my call, and have a great day.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. You have a good day. 73.
7-3. There we go, guys. Woohoo! Victor Alpha 7, Bravo India X-ray.
Whoa, Whiskey Sierra. Okay, the 7 call. I believe the whole Bravo stuff in the 7 call.
Roger, mate. It's Victor Alpha 7, Bravo India X-ray. QSL. Woohoo!
Oh, Roger, yeah, I've talked to you before. Victor Alpha 7, Bravo, India, X-ray. You're coming in about a 5-4 here in California this evening.
Yeah, Roger, mate. I got you about a 5-5 here tonight, and I'm coming to you on the world's worst antenna, mate. And you're going to be featuring on my Rubbish Antenna Series video. Thanks for taking my call, buddy. Have a fantastic afternoon, and 7-3, mate.
Thank you for coming back to me, and I hope you have a great evening.
73, mate.
November 4, November Golf Kilo, from there, George.
There we go, guys. And look at his pile up. Oh, my goodness, Doug. Doug, look at this. This has got to be a to be continued. Doug, there's that, but come over here with me with the camera, Doug. Come over here, Doug. There's a huge, big container. Oh, the rubbish antennas for the win. They're everywhere, guys. Get out, make antennas, hook up to anything. And come over here real quick, Doug. So, guys, really quickly, these are great. So these can take up to 2.5 inches. These are absolutely, actually, they're more like 3 inches. So these are absolutely fantastic. So get yourself a set of these. You can clamp onto anything. And always remember, guys, I just want to quote my buddy Mike from Burnaby Radio. I was always paranoid and in denial about counterpoises, if you will. And Mike just plainly said to me, he said, look, reframe, look at them as the other side of the antenna. So they're essentially part of the antenna. And that reframe right there absolutely changed the way that I think and build antennas. All right, guys, I'm going to pack up now. It's getting a little cold. So if this is the first time to my channel, g'day, mates. Thank you so much for swinging by. I'm Crazy Simon, HamJazz. And if you're a return viewer, thanks so much, guys, for swinging back again. I really appreciate it. And guys, please hit that like and subscribe button because your support fuels my passion and helps keep the inspiration alive. All right, everybody, we'll catch you on the airwaves soon. Have a great day and 7-3.